In this question, we are told that the initial population of bacteria is 2000 bacteria. And we are also told that the population of bacteria has doubled in 60 minutes. And we are asked to find the population after 2 hours. Recall that 2 hours is 120 minutes. So we are asked to find P of 120. But since we are given the doubling time and we are given the initial population, we will use the formula for the exponential growth with the exponent 2. The formula is P naught multiplied by 2 to the power T over T capital. P naught is the initial population.